Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expertly Create. In this video, I will give you a complete step-by-step guide on how to write a PhD thesis, from the proposal all the way to the viva. Let's start with the big picture. A PhD thesis is a journey with clear milestones. Here is the roadmap from proposal to viva. We'll go through each step and explain what to do and why it matters. Step 1 is the proposal. This is where you define your research question, state the problem, and show why your topic is important. A strong proposal has a clear aim, a focused scope, and a realistic plan. Step 2 is the literature review. This is where you read existing work, summarize key ideas, and position your research within the field. Your goal is to show what is known and what is still missing. Step 3 is the methodology. Here you explain how you will answer your research question. You must justify your methods, your data sources, and your ethical considerations. Step 4 is data collection and analysis. This is where you gather your evidence and process it into results. Collect carefully, document everything, and analyze in a structured way. Step 5 is writing the thesis. The key is structure. A typical thesis has chapters like introduction, literature review, methodology, results discussion, and conclusion. Step 6 is submission. This is where you format, proofread, and submit your thesis according to university guidelines. Make sure you check formatting rules, references, and required paperwork. Finally, Step 7 is the viva. This is the oral defense of your thesis. Prepare by summarizing your work, practicing answers to common questions, and explaining your contribution confidently. Let's summarize. A strong PhD thesis follows a clear process: proposal, literature review, methodology, data collection and analysis, writing, submission, and viva. Stay organized, document your work, and communicate your ideas clearly